থ্যাংক ইউ এভরিওয়ান। অনেক ধন্যবাদ জানাই আপনাকে। We would now like to invite you to kindly take a virtual tour of the Kolkata Development Center. Thank you very much for giving us your valuable time. আজ আমাদের অফিসের উদ্বোধন আপনার হাতে হয়েছে, এটা সত্যি আমাদের সৌভাগ্য এবং আমরা আপনার কাছে কৃতজ্ঞ। আমরা এখন আমাদের মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রীকে এই উপলক্ষে আমাদের কিছু বলার অনুরোধ করব।
দিদি পেছনে আলো আসছে।
আমি প্রথমেই ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি আমার সঞ্চালকদের। কোন লাইটটা ভাই? এই লাইটটা? আচ্ছা, পেছনের লাইটটা এটা একটু অফ করে দাও, কারণ এটা হেভি লাইট আছে, সেই জন্য ক্যামেরাম্যানদের প্রবলেম হচ্ছে। Honorable Mr. Joyce Shangarajan, Shangarajka, Mr. Mishra, Mr. Ghosh, other members of the Infosys team, respected guests, delegates, friends, and my IT officials and other well-wishers. I have with me Mr. Amit Mitra. Actually, he is our main finance advisor, Chief Chandriya Bhattacharya, our finance minister, Sujit Bose, our fire brigade minister, Babul Shukla is IT minister. They are sitting with me, IT secretary and DG of West Bengal, Rajiv Kumar. One side is IS, one side is IPS. Both the side is taking care. Dibedi, he was a chief secretary, now he is taking care for HITCO. He is a vice chairman of HITCO. Alapur Bandyopadhyay also was the chief secretary and now he is taking care for NKDA and my advisory, CMO advisor also. Sanjay Bansal, our DM, Shumit also. And there are so many friends. I can see my industrial friends are also sitting there. I can mark Shottam and others also. Whatever. I welcome all of you. Thank you so much, including the press media. Of course, today is a historic day. Not only for Infosys, but for us, everybody. And for the IT industry and IT icons all over the world. You started your journey, just now I came to know from Mr. Joy's speech, 1981. And now you are working about 56 countries. And now finally you agreed to start IP Infosys Development Center in Calcutta. So it's a proud moment for us also. In this occasion, I congratulate all of your officials, the employees, the friends, the guests, and all the employees throughout the world, who are the ITI officials who are working. I have with me Mr. Shaukat Mullah also. I have a request. Please see that we should help, we should cooperate them in all ways, at all levels. And I will request, this is the area adjacent of Kolkata Police and South and West Bengal, so Bidhannagar Commissioner. So this is a border area, but there should be some good coordination between two. So please see, and no disturbances, nothing. They must work very peacefully and very smoothly. First, I want to convey my best wishes and Happy New Year to all of you and your family members. And Happy Christmas to all of you. Bengal is a land of each and everybody. You can say Gandhiji to Rabindranath Tagore to Nazrul to Netaji, what not. It is for all. It's a cosmopolitan. And it's a beautiful city, and this is Rajarhat New Town area. And we have seen so many universities are there. We gave land to St. Xavier's University. They have set up their university here. Then Kolkata University, then Presidency University, then other university also. And there are so many private university also. And this area is really a leading area. And in just beside 1-2 kilometers, you will see a leather hub. So now all the leather industry is coming up here. More than 5 lakhs workers are working there. And again, more than 5 lakhs will be employed there. And I'm happy to see that you are also, you have already announced that more than 4,000 people will be working here. That's a good gesture for the IT officials. You know that Bengal is a leading IT state. When we came in power, at that time there was no that scope. But now, of course you are a big icon. That's why I'm present here today. It is my proud privilege. But others also, big Indian and IT global companies like TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, IBM, Ericsson, Capgemini, Tech Mahindra, Accenture, ITC, Infotech, British Telecom, they are also here. Our desire was that yes, Infosys must come here. As today I must, with my humble regards, I can tell you, you fulfilled our dream. So thank you so much. Thanks again on behalf of all of us. You will believe that we have the human capital. Bengal especially, our skill, our talent, and our talent pool, we are number 1 in India. And our boys and girls among the world also, they are working everywhere in the world. And this year also you'll be happy to know that more than 45,000 engineers, they entered in this area, and maximum will be the computer engineer also out of that. So they will be helpful for the future also. You have a huge pool, and we have the human talent pool. Now, these have made Bengal the most favored IT destination in India. We have set up Bengal Silicon Valley, just a replica of USA. We have provided 200 acres of land there, and you will be happy to know there will be 27,000 crore investment. And they will create 75,000 IT jobs. 28 companies have already started work. There are 40 other companies. They have already taken land. Out of these companies, 11 are building data center. We have already set up 22 IT parks. And 22 IT parks in the 2-tier and 3-tier cities. Almost 85% of the facilities have already been filled up. Many of them are 100% full, employing talented local boys and girls. I hope that in Kosi also, they will be able to give the moral strength to our energetic IT boys and girls. We have introduced so many policies, broadband policies. When I was a railway minister twice in India, at that time I started broadband policy. Abhijit knows better than me because he was my advisor also that time in railway. So broadband policies, data center policy, guideline for artificial intelligence and machine learning bear testaments to that. Even you'll be happy to know that Global Foundries, the world's third largest chip maker, has proposed to establish a semiconductor facility in Calcutta. This will also initiate a new era in Bengal IT and their allied sector also. We have already formulated a stable landing policy, especially in front of sea area, Tajpur. So the internet, the speedy internet work, the connectivity will connect all over the world. It will be a good connectivity destination. The high-speed internet access with global connectivity from Kolkata. I am sure that Infosys and many others will be able to take advantage of these policies and infrastructural advantage to grow more. Our advantage is, it is a gateway of Northeastern region, gateway of so many Southeast Asian countries, even Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Maldives, even Bangkok, it is also 3 hours from here, Singapore also, Myanmar also, very nearest. So it is a gateway, that's why our connectivity and power is very. Earlier there was a word that every time out of 24 hours, 23 hours we suffered load shedding. But now there is no power crisis. It will help all of you. And also the second world largest coal mines is coming to Deucha Pathmi. It is in the district of Birbhum. So 100 years, when it will be ready, then power will be very cheap. And our advantage is large consumer base, power supply, low cost of operation, lowest attrition, excellent work culture. Earlier there was a Mendes lost about out of 365 days, maybe 300 days, but now not a single one within these 13 years. So credit must go to the people of West Bengal and also industry. At present, about 2,200 IT companies are working in Bengal. They include all the big names, but small is always beautiful. They are also doing. You know, the startup also coming, capacity, we have the advantage of capacity, accountability, and the largest economy in the eastern region. And our GDP is expected to reach this year 19 lakh crore. Industry and services contribute a massive 81% out of that. So I congratulate all my officials, our employees, and all the people who are helping us. Even who are not helping us, I thanks to them also. Infosys of Calcutta, it will create a new glory. And it will attract the other companies to see for Kolkata and to invest the more and more money for their development and for their industry. Our government will provide all sort of help. Whatever you want. We have the economic crisis because we are paying our legacy debt. Instead of that, our economy is safe and sound. We started FRBM system only when we came in power. May I invite all of you and your team, global team also, and other also, whoever is in the country, 5th and 6th February. Every year, we used to organize the Bengal Global Business Summit. There are more than 44, 45 countries used to attend that business summit. May I invite you and your friends and your colleagues, please to come and enjoy the Bengal Business Summit, and you will see it is just like a industry heaven. Even one day we call the big industry and next day we call the MSME sector. Because we are number one in the MSME sector also. আমি আপনাদের সকলকে অনেক ধন্যবাদ জানাই, অনেক অভিনন্দন জানাই, অনেক শুভকামনা জানাই for this new year gift to us. Let this newborn baby must create the opportunity for my young generation, our talented people and people of this beautiful earth. With this word, thank you so much. Thanks again to all the delegates, participants, my young generation, friends, press, media and all. for your cooperation. My humble regards to Infosys company especially for their kind gesture to invite me and my colleagues to be present this August day, which will be remembered forever. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.